Part B is a theory question. That's completely theory. You all know about it, but I just revise it. A network administrator uses many network commands to determine the performance issues within the computer network. Briefly describe how each of the following commands can be used. So first one is the ping command. So it's a simple command for all of us. The ping command issued into a computer, say that this is the computer A, where we write the ping command. But just ping is not valid. This has to be added with the destination IP address. So that through the network, either internet or a LAN, WAN, we are connecting into a computer B. So at the moment, I may assign an IP address for computer B, just like 220.51.91.50. If it is the case, I have typed the ping command, ping the destination. We are pinging to a destination. So our destination is this. So we write it like ping 220.51.91 and 50. Then what will be the reaction by this computer? It is sending 4 packets from this current computer and checking whether that computer is responding to the packets we sent. So the job of the ping command is to test whether a destination system or destination computer is connected and working with the network. That's what it does. So if I'm write the answer here, the ping command is used to test a destination, or else we can call it as a remote computer is communicating with the sender. That's what the main responsibility or main use of the ping command. And we all know that with the ping command we can get the packet loss as well as round trip time RTT, then time to live TTL. Those values are also prepared from the ping command. They are extra, but into this question this part is more than enough. So we have to say what is use of this. The ping command used to test a destination or remote computer is communicating with the sender or the source. Now I am trying the ping command with the Yahoo server. We'll try that ping www.yahoo.com. So not only an IP address, even a domain name can be entered. So when I enter it, there are 4 packets sent, and then I get the statistics or the summary which says that 4 packets were sent and 4 received, therefore loss 0. And the round trip time summary is also given, minimum, maximum, as well as the average round trip time. So these are the round trip time for each and every packet we send under the ping command. So this is how we get the answers practically in the computer. Right. Then we go to the second one, traceert command. So this is working in Linux systems in the command trace route. This also used in large networks. Once you use the traceert command, it defines that mostly we go for the internet. Now this is the first router and another router, another router, another router, or else we can call them as gateways. These are gateways. So likewise, we follow many more gateways to reach destinations. Now, once you go for the destination like B here, if you type traceert, assume that the IP address of B is 110.579. Then I may write that traceert 110.579. What is the job of the traceert command? It defines all the gateways we are passing from sender to the receiver and the time taken to reach each and every gateway. Repeat it. tracert command, we write tracert from A. Then it gives the time interval as well as the IP addresses of all the gateways when reaching the destination. So that to reach B, we use this pathway. This is a path. Then this is listing the IP addresses of all the gateways we are passing to reach B. Not only that, it gives the time interval, how long will it take to reach each and every gateway at the pathway to reach B. Right. So if I'm write the answer here, tracert lists all the gateways and the time taken to reach each gateway until the destination is reached. We'll try the tracert command with Google. So similar to the IP address, we can use a domain name as well. So when I'm typing the command, it starts sending packets from all the gateways. So this is the closest gateway which takes 1 millisecond and there are 3 packets sent. Then it takes time to calculate the time as well as details of the second hop. This is second gateway, request timeout, and then goes for the third hop, which is having the time taken for the 3 packets. Likewise, this is continued until we reach the destination. So it is listing all the hops, or the gateways. Here we have 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 hops to reach, hops to be passed to reach the Google system. Similarly, we have another command called as IPconfig. That's the third one. What is this doing? The IPconfig command is entered as it is. We don't need to write any other IP address or destination here. Once you execute IPconfig, it gives what? It gives the IP configuration of the working computer, which may be the IP address, subnet mask, then the default gateway. So these are listed from the IPconfig command. We'll try the IPconfig command now. So that is entered as it is. Then we are going to get the current IP configuration with the sub IPv4 address. This is the current IP address of the working computer. This IPv6 address of the working computer, and then the subnet mask, default gateway. They are listed in both the versions, IPv6 as well as IPv4. So I think you revise the knowledge regarding these keywords, the commands, as well as the IP address calculation part, which is highly important in our syllabus. So I think that this video helps you to revise that knowledge. Thank you all.